warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, here I will describe my hometown. Hometown is on the Sawit Seberang in Langkat, Sumatera Utara. The atmosphere in my village is very comfortable. The people are friendly too. In the morning, there are people who go to work, school, and much more. In my village, there are a lot of oil palm trees. And in my village there is a palm oil. Maybe that's all my hometown description. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.